Hey Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. Whoop whoop, it's a new year 2018 and I hope you guys are ready to slay. So today's video is going to be this smoky eye look, and first I'm going to start off with this brown transition shade, and I'm just going to go in with this shade into my crease because as you can see today is a smoky eye look, and I'm just going to achieve this look with only two shadows. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild packer brush and I'm going to use a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack this on all over my eyes as you guys see me doing, and I'm trying to make kind of a rounded shape so that when I blend it out, it'll blend out seamlessly and easily. So after I take this shadow and I outline it all over my lid, I'm now going to go in with a dense fluffy brush, and this is going to help me blend out the crease, and I'm just going to take this in circular motions, and this eyeshadow blends out really easily. You can't really get it on the market now because it will be a Shop Glam Queen eyeshadow, but have no fear, it should be coming out soon. So once this is all blended out, I then go in with my eyebrow highlight, and I'm going to use the Tarte's Pro To Go palette, and I'm just going to use this beautiful gold shimmer shade in the shade Hide. After that, I'm going to take some Shop Glam Queen lashes and pop them on my eyes. These lashes are so fluffy and beautiful. Check out my website if you want to get some nice lashes. And lastly, to finish off this look, because I don't know how to not use glitter, I'm going to take this beautiful silver glitter with some iridescent sparkles in it, and I'm just going to pop this in my inner tear duct, and voila, the look is done. And as you guys can see, for 2018, I'm rocking my tiny weenie fro for like a couple days before I get my next sew in, but you know, let's not talk about that. Bye Glammies, and subscribe, tell me what you want to see. Till the next video.